how to see Spotify Wrapped. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Spotify Wrapped easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to update Spotify. So first, simply open the Play Store, and now here, once you are inside it, just tap on the search bar and simply search for Spotify, and here make sure it's updated to the latest version. But here, in case if you see update button, just tap on it, and once updated, simply open the Spotify app. So here with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check wrapped from home. So normally you should see a wrapped banner at the top of your home screen. If it is not visible, don't worry, we will fix it. So with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to search manually. So here you can just tap on the search icon at the bottom, and here you simply have to tap on the search bar and simply type wrapped 2025 and search for it. And after that, you'll see a playlist, stats, and wrapped cards. So there you can just tap on the wrapped section to open it. And after that, you can view your listening summary, top songs, artists, genres, and much more. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check in your library. So here you can simply go back, and there you can simply tap on your library, and from there you can simply scroll down and look for 2025 wrapped section. Sometimes it appears here instead of home, but if wrap is still not showing on your account, then you can do this to fix it. So here what you can do is simply log out from your Spotify account and log in again, and if that doesn't work, then you can simply uninstall the Spotify app as well. And with that, if it doesn't work in that way too, then you can use the browser method. So here to do that, simply open any web browser, and now here once you're inside the web browser, simply tap on the search bar and simply type spotify.com/wrapped. And here once you do that, you simply have to tap on the first link on the result page, and after that it will directly open in Spotify app. And here you can simply tap on this button that says get yours, and once you tap on it, it should bring you directly to the wrapped section. And that's it. That's how you can access your Spotify wrapped listening stats easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.